Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get ExitLag free trials. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go to the official ExitLag website. So according to them, when creating your first account on ExitLag, you will automatically receive a free trial period to experience our service, their service with full access to the games already added to their library. So you'll get 3 days on a desktop version, PCs and notebooks, and 7 days on the mobile version. So here are some agreements, you can read them. You don't need to register your credit card, blah blah blah. You can read it all. And attention, if you create your account through their mobile app, the trial will be not applied to the desktop version. So after the trial, you can choose a subscription plan that best fits your gaming style and continue optimizing your games with their exclusive technology. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, then thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.